Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best Gigabit Ethernet network switches. Ever watched your downloads crawl and wondered if your router was throwing shade? Sometimes what you really need is a solid Gigabit Ethernet switch to cut the fuss and keep things flowing. Lucky for you, I already rounded up the best ones worth picking up. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth Gigabit Ethernet network switch on our list is the Netgear GS305, priced at $13.49, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. What you're getting here is true gigabit speeds on all 5 ports, which means if you're hardwiring your gaming PC, streaming devices, or maybe a NAS, you're maxing out at 1,000 megabits per second per port. It's plug and play, so literally zero configuration needed. You just connect your devices and you're done. The metal housing is actually really solid for the price, feels durable, and runs completely silent since there's no fan. It's also got that energy-efficient design with IEEE 800 2.3 AZ compliance, so it's not gonna spike your power bill. The 2K MAC address table and 128 kilobytes buffer memory are decent for home use. Nothing crazy, but totally adequate. I really like the versatility too. You can throw it on your desk or wall mount it if you need to clean up your setup. Just remember that this is unmanaged, so no VLANs or QoS customization. Our team recommends this for home users or small offices who just need reliable wired connections without complexity. The fourth Gigabit Ethernet network switch on our list is the TP-Link TL-SG105, priced at $15.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Another 5-port gigabit switch, but what really stands out here is the energy efficiency. We're talking up to 84% power savings compared to older switches, which is actually insane. It automatically adjusts power based on link status and cable length, so you're not wasting electricity on unused ports. You've got full gigabit speeds across all 5 ports with store and forward switching, plus it supports 9K jumbo frames, which is great if you're moving large files across your network. The QoS implementation uses 802.1p and DSCP for traffic prioritization, so latency-sensitive stuff like gaming and video calls get smooth bandwidth. There's also IGMP snooping built in, which optimizes multicast traffic if you're doing things like IPTV streaming. The metal case feels super solid, runs completely fanless for silent operation, and you can desktop or wall mount it. Auto MDI and MDIX means you don't need crossover cables. Everything just works. Limitations are the same. No power over Ethernet, and it's unmanaged, so zero network segmentation or advanced configs. Our team recommends this for anyone wanting a reliable, energy-efficient switch for home or small office use, where you just need plug-and-play simplicity. The third Gigabit Ethernet network switch on our list is the Netgear GS305E, priced at $18.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is their easy smart managed switch, so it's a step up from basic unmanaged switches. You're still getting 5 gigabit ports with full wire speed performance, but now you've got actual network management features through a web-based GUI. The big deal here is VLAN support with 800 2.1Q tagging, so you can segment your network traffic for security or organization. Super useful if you're running a small business or want to isolate Internet of Things devices from your main network. You've got QoS with 800 2.1p for traffic prioritization, plus it supports port mirroring, which is clutch for troubleshooting or monitoring network activity. There's also rate limiting for bandwidth control, loop detection, broadcast, storm prevention, and even built-in DOS protection. The 8K MAC address table is quadruple what the basic GS305 offers, and you get 9 kilobyte jumbo frame support for efficient large file transfers. It's got a cable testing feature built into the interface, which is actually pretty handy for diagnosing connection issues. Fanless metal design, same reliable build quality. However, it still has no power over Ethernet, and while it's managed, it's not full enterprise level management. Our team recommends this for small business owners needing network segmentation or anyone running a home lab where you need more control. The second gigabit Ethernet network switch on our list is the TP-Link TLSG116, priced at $66.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This is where you go when 5 ports just aren't cutting it anymore. You're getting 16 full gigabit ports with auto negotiation and auto MDI and MDI-X on every single one, so 0 headaches with cable types. What's impressive here is the massive 4.1 megabyte buffer memory. That's seriously substantial compared to the smaller switches and means way better handling of traffic bursts and packet queuing. The 8K MAC address table handles larger networks without breaking a sweat. It supports 10 kilobyte jumbo frames, QoS with 802.1p and DSCP plus IGMP snooping for efficient multicast traffic. The energy-efficient design keeps max power consumption at just 10 watts, which is crazy low for 16 ports. Steel housing, fanless operation so it's dead silent, and you get desktop or wall mount options. The store and forward switching with IEEE 802.3x flow control ensures reliable data transfers even under heavy load. Limitations? It's unmanaged and no power over Ethernet. Same story. Our team recommends this for growing small offices, media centers with lots of devices, or home networks that need serious port density. The best gigabit Ethernet network switch on our list is the TP-Link TLSG1016, priced at $92.28, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This is basically the desktop TLSG116's bigger brother, built for server racks with a standard 19-inch rack mount design. You're getting the same 16 gigabit ports with auto MDI and MDI-X, same 8K MAC address table, and 10 kilobyte jumbo frame support. The switching capacity is 32 gigabits per second with non-blocking architecture, so you get full wire speed forwarding on every port simultaneously without any bottlenecks. It's got IEEE 802.3x flow control for reliable data transfer and back pressure support for half duplex mode. Energy-efficient design keeps max power draw under 10 watts, which is impressive for a rack mount switch. Store and forward switching ensures error-free packet delivery. The metal construction is way more robust than desktop switches, and it comes with rack mount brackets in the box, plus rubber feet if you want to use it standalone. Still fanless, so it runs completely silent. QoS support is there for traffic prioritization. Now, aside from being unmanaged and has no power over Ethernet, you also need rack space for this. Our team recommends this for server closets, network cabinets, AV installations, or anyone running a proper rack setup where cable management and professional presentation actually matter. And there you have it, folks, the best gigabit Ethernet network switches. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.